Hi guys, welcome to Teo's Take. I like using my iPhone 13 Pro sometimes when I have nothing on me. If I need to record something, talking about something, I love using iPhone 13 Pro. It has very strong cameras, especially in the front of the phone. Unfortunately, it's very hard to frame myself when I use those cameras because I can't see the screen clearly. So I need to either rely on someone or I have to set it on a tripod so I can keep going back and forth and to see where I'm sitting at. So I use my iPad once in a while, screen share to an iPad so I can see myself, but it's very difficult to carry around an iPad. It's really very cumbersome and it's not efficient. So what I did is I went ahead and ordered this awesome little screen made by a company named KingMa, and it's a magnetic vlog selfie screen. And let's go ahead and unbox this and find out what's all in the box and how it works with my iPhone 13 Pro. Comes in a very nice, cute little box. Feels a little heavy, pretty good. That's a good sign. I like heavy gear. Not too heavy though. All right. Out of the box, we get a user manual, mainly in Chinese, and the second part of manual looks like in English. All right. You get a remote control, looks like one of those Bluetooth remote controls, comes with the tripods and things. A magnetic attachment part, phones without the magnets in the back. A Type-C to USB-A cable. A nice pouch, velvety. One thing, I wish this came with some sort of a hard case instead of this pouch, but I can live with that. I do have some hard cases that I can use if I wanted to. And here's the star of the show. It has a magnetic attachment in the back and looks like a 4-inch screen. And there are 3 buttons on top. There's a little LED in the middle and 2 Type-C ports, one of them for charging, one of them for connecting to iPhone 15 and above. It may work with an Android phone too. I do not have an Android phone handy at this time, so we're gonna have to try it with the iPhone 13 Pro, just like the little box shows. Matter of fact, I have the exact same phone, and she's right here. All right, let's put these away. Let's go ahead and check this user manual to see how to connect. You turn it on by pressing on the power button a few seconds. There you go. Comes on. Very cool. All right, there's a Bluetooth icon on top. It's blinking, showing that it's not connected. So this device uses the protocol same as the CarPlay devices. You simply connect with the Bluetooth, then once you pair it via Bluetooth, you connect to the Wi-Fi network of this particular device. And then you basically do a screen mirroring from your phone. The thing about these devices, simply there's a lag to it. So according to information on Amazon, this doesn't have any lag with 1080p, or let's say this doesn't have any noticeable lag on 1080p resolution. However, when you go up to 4K, they recommend you to use, for iPhone 15 and above, a Type-C male to Type-C male short cable, which interestingly, they did not include that cable. They only included a charging cable, which I wish they included that cable. It could have been a lot easier for people who wants to utilize the cable instead of going out and buying one. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and find this and pair it via Bluetooth. So as you see, it's blinking right now. And when I connect via Bluetooth, and it's paired, the Bluetooth icon is solid. So next step, what we're gonna do according to user manual is, by the way, this is not a touchscreen device, so it only works with that remote and things. You can see your iPhone screen there, but it's not going to be touchscreen. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to pair it with Wi-Fi. All right, with Wi-Fi, this is the network, PH02 5G network, and I'm going to go ahead and connect that. Password for this, interestingly, I didn't see it in the user manual. User manual says only PW and then password. So actually, password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's go ahead and enter that and hit join. All right, it's connected. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna bring it down, right side of the screen. We're gonna bring down the control panel, and we're gonna hit this button right there under my thumb, and then we're gonna select that. And as soon as it connects, boom, it's like I have two iPhones in my hand. Love it. It was so tactile and so quick, very impressive. All right, like so. Just like the way this was screen mirroring to my iPad, in this case in a tiny thing. Let's go ahead and connect this to the phone, back of the phone. Very nice. All right, at this time I'm facing the front camera, and I don't see any lag when I take photos. Let's try the video. This is a 4K video. Before I hit the record button, obviously there's no lag, it's just screen mirroring. When I hit record, it's not too bad for a 4K 24p, but there is a noticeable lag. But the cool part is I can frame myself without getting up and keep checking my device. Let's change the resolution to 1080 or HD. This is HD 30 resolution. All right, let's go ahead and record. Yep, there is no lag, just like the way seller promised. I think this is an excellent solution. I don't mind the lag on 4K because I'm simply going to frame myself and record the video. This is just a peace of mind for me to see myself for a minute. However, if you have iPhone 15 or above with the Type-C port, you're more than welcome to use the cable. I think it's going to be amazing with the cable. If wireless works like this, I can't imagine how good the cable is. And again, there are two dedicated ports in the back, one for charging, one for connecting to your phone. Unfortunately, iPhone 13 Pro doesn't have a Type-C port. It has a Lightning port, and it's not working with the Lightning port. Let's go ahead and take a weight, see how heavy it is. I'm gonna turn on my scale. In ounces, it's 3.7 ounces. And let's go ahead and check this in grams. All right, in grams, it's only 104 grams. I mean, it's nothing. One cool thing about this is if you have a tripod like this, this is a magnetic tripod, as well as it has little handles that I can actually stretch it up to use it with the phone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect my phone first. Right, all right. Then I'm gonna connect this guy. Boom. Initially, this is my plan to use it with my iPhone, like so. All right, let's go ahead and try this with my phone case. I have a phone case with a MagSafe, which is this thing. Let's go ahead and put the iPhone in the phone case. Boom. connects, no problem whatsoever. I think this is an excellent solution for under $70. I mean, I purchased it a couple of days ago, arrived right away. Thank God for Amazon shipping. It's a great product. I'll have the link in the description of the video, and if you purchase through that link, you'll be helping to my channel, so thank you for that if you do it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I have many more videos like this in the channel. I also have some espresso and coffee related videos. Don't forget to check them out. I'll see you on the next Teo Steak video. Have an awesome day.